We solve the problems for our customer that modern machining processes place ever higher demands on tool performance, cost effectiveness, and process reliability. Without specialized coatings, it is not possible to machine modern materials economically, precisely, and sustainably. My name is Bernd Hermeler. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of CemeCon. As the global leader in diamond coating and the technology leader in PVD HiPIMS coating for precision tools, we give you a decisive performance edge. It's our pleasure to welcome you at the EMO at our booth in Hall 4, booth number C30.